Hello students, today we will be learning the trigonometric identities. We'll see some of the problems from the exercises. Exercise 21a. The first question is to prove ck minus 1 by ck plus 1, that is equal to 1 minus cosA by 1 plus cosec. So what is ck? Ck is nothing but 1 by cosec minus 1, the whole divided by, again ck is there, so again 1 by cosA plus 1. So as there is an addition and subtraction symbol, we will be doing the LCM. So what is the LCM? 1 minus cosA by cosA, the whole divided by 1 plus cosA by cosA. So this cosA and cosA will get cancelled. That means the same thing we can write it as 1 minus cosA by cosA into denominator will come into numerator, so that is cosA by 1 plus cosec, and cosA will get cancelled and you will get 1 minus cosA by 1 plus cosec. So hence this is proved. So we will move on to the next question. It is 1 by tanA plus cotA equal to cosA sinA. What is tanA? tanA is nothing but sinA by cosA, and cotA is cosA by sinA. So again there is a plus symbol in the denominator, so again we will find the LCM. So it is 1 the whole divided by sin square A plus cos square A by sin A cos A. What is sin square A plus cos square A? It is 1. So that means 1 whole divided by 1 by sin A cos A. So again, what is the denominator? Denominator is 1 by sin A cos A. So the denominator's denominator will go to the numerator. So it is equal to sin A cos A. So hence proved. We will see some more problems. Next one is tanA minus cotA equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A by sin A cos A. As we have learned, what is tanA? tanA is nothing but sin A by cos A, and cot A is nothing but cos A by sin. So what is the LCM? It is sin A cos A. So when you cross multiply, you will get sin square A minus cos square A by sin A cos A. Is sin square A minus cos square A is 1? No, sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So sin square A is nothing but 1 minus cos square A. So instead of sin square A, we can write it as 1 minus cos square A minus the second cos square A, the whole divided by sin A cos A. What is minus cos square A minus cos square A? Both are minus, so you need to add and put the symbol minus. So minus 2 cos square A. So the answer is 1 minus 2 cos square A by sin A cos A. Hence prove the RHS. So we'll also see one more problem. Cosec raised to 4a minus cosec square A equal to cot raised to 4a plus cot square A. So we will take LHS. So that is cosec raised to 4a minus cosec square A. What is common here? You can take cosec square A as common. So we'll take that out. Cosec square A into cosec square A minus 1. So sometimes we will stop in middle, and RHS also we need to prove it to this one so that we can equate LHS and RHS. So in this problem we will be doing like that. So RHS is cot raised to 4a plus cot square A. So again in this, what is common here? It is cot square A. So we will take cot square A as common, cot square A into cot square A plus 1. What is cot²? Cot² is cosec² minus 1. So the outside cot² you can write it as cosec² minus 1. And what is cot² plus 1? So this 1 will come in this side. So that will become cot² plus 1. That is equal to cosec². So that this thing you can write it as cosec² minus 1 into cosec². So if you see LHS and RHS both are same. So hence prove this problem. See you with another video. Thank you.